Jewelry is often a go-to gift on Valentine's Day, so it seemed appropriate today to help you keep your favorite pieces looking sparkly and new. Consumer educator Teresa Hunsaker is here to share some of the best do-it-yourself jewelry cleaning solutions. So I keep stocked on my vanity one of those ring cleaning little tubs that you get at the jewelry store. Is that a bad idea? Is that a waste?
Well, it's not a bad idea, but there's other things that we can have on hand that work just great.
Okay, like have on hand right now.
Like have on hand right now. Stuff you've already got in the kitchen or the pantry.
Okay, we're gonna make a game out of this.
Yep.
I'm gonna pull back in Studio 5 contributor Celeste Whitney, my good friend who now is my fierce competitor. You ready to get fierce?
I'm ready as I'll ever be.
Teresa, set this up for us.
All right, so I'm going to give you a clue or a quiz question, and then you are going to answer that question by reaching for the objects that fulfill that question's answer, all right?
Okay.
So you will have some items that are duplicate, some that are only one, but that doesn't necessarily mean a clue that it's, you know, the same. All right, so now
I feel like we should shake hands.
Yes, oh, that's a good idea.
Yes,
And when you're done with that question, put the items back on the table, okay? We may need them again. All right, here we go.
I play to win. Okay.
Very competitive here.
I'm super not competitive.
That's why I love egging her on. Okay.
All right, first question. The bubbling action of this product works like a charm for cleaning your jewelry and heartburn.
Oh man, I guess that's probably not good for heartburn.
Actually, it is. Not a bad one because there's sodium bicarbonate in the antacid. But antacid, because of the bubbling action, is actually, those tablets work great. So if you've got denture cleaner that's bubbling or the antacid, works
clean
great.
What, any jewelry?
Almost any jewelry to get, to get it clean.
Nice.
So
I didn't know that. You just had me at heartburn.
It could be bracelets, rings,
Oh,
that
and
kind
there
of
was
thing.
one right here.
That's all right.
Come on.
It's all good.
Okay.
Second question. Because your ring has lots of cracks and crevices, get ready for this handy tool to make them sparkle.
Tooth.
Okay.
Yay. One of each.
Is that it?
That's
Toothbrush.
it. Not the dish pan cleaner, not the brush. No, just a nice
to get into the little
bristle brush. Perfect.
Okay.
All right, and that just the kid's toothbrush works great.
Okay.
Have it marked separate for just your jewelry there.
Please.
All right, question number 3. Make tarnished silver clean right up by combining this leavening agent and a crumpled sheet of this common kitchen item.
A leavening agent?
Do I need the leavening agent
2
too?
items,
Shoot.
leavening agent and a crumpled sheet of.
Why am I asking you?
I don't know.
I'm going to go this.
I'll just do this again.
And I'm going to go, oh, she took the aluminum foil.
Yeah, sorry.
So I'll take the wax paper because that's all I got.
That's all you've got. All right, it's baking soda and aluminum foil.
Way to go. How do you work that then?
So you'll take hot water, crumple up some aluminum foil, and sprinkle in some baking soda.
Okay.
And put your tarnished silver rings or silver bracelets or that kind of thing in it.
That's way cool.
I had no idea.
Or even your, dinnerware.
Okay.
Knives, forks, spoons, that kind of thing.
All right.
All right.
Are we
Here's
keeping
one.
score? What's the score? Oh, 1-1.
We're just
We're not keeping score.
Yeah.
Want your diamond to really shine? Reach for any of these 3 items.
Diamond. I'm going to say
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Do we get 3?
Go for 3.
Oh,
Yeah, you can go for 3 if you want.
I don't know.
Really shine, sparkle.
Oh, my husband's not watching. He's like, that's where you care for my greatest gift I've ever given you. I don't know.
Oh, I can't believe.
No?
No.
What?
No, keep going.
Oh, was I close?
No, I just can't believe nobody picked the witch hazel.
Oh.
Witch hazel is great.
I mean,
There you go.
okay.
There you go. So you can use hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, witch hazel.
Okay.
Very good, right?
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Not the pine sol?
Probably not needing the pine sol.
I got
Yeah,
toothpaste.
leave it
Smells really
fill.
good.
Yeah.
All right,
And
time for one
definitely-
more.
All right, one more.
Okay.
The last one. These products should never be used on your jewelry. Celeste, you had one. That
Never
should never
bleach.
be.
Okay.
There you go.
Toothpaste?
Oh, I got
Never?
2.
Yeah.
Here, can
In
I
talking to
borrow
my
Yes, please.
in talking to my jeweler friends, they suggested never bleach never toothpaste.
I actually thought toothpaste was one.
I
thought it was
on
too.
some of the softer metals, it'll actually scratch it, and so you don't want to use that. And you never ever want to use cleanser, even the soft cleanser. And some people think, oh, it's really grimy, I'm going to clean up that brooch or what. No, 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 no.
Okay.
So just the items that we've talked about earlier. And then remember too that every now and then your good jewelry needs to go in for maintenance. You want to know the stone and you want to know the metal that it's made of and how it's made, the prongs, the glues, that kind of thing.
All right, Teresa, thank you. You were the
Wow,
cutest
so
competitor I
fun.
ever had. Nice job.